मङ्गलं षडाननाय मङ्गलं गुरुवराय मङ्गलं गुरुदेवाय मङ्गलं शङ्कराय 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 मङ्गलं शङ्करी मनोहराय शाश्वताय मङ्गलं पार्वतीशमङ्गलं परमेश्वराय मङ्गलं दुर्गालक्ष्मी मङ्गलं कार्तिकेय मङ्गलं शङ्कराय 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 मङ्गलं शङ्करी मनोहराय शाश्वताय मङ्गलं जगन्नाथ मङ्गलं वेङ्कटेश मङ्गलं सीताराम
Om Gan Ganapataye Namaha. We Odiyas celebrate 13 festivals in 12 months, better known as Bara Mas Tera Parva. Among them, Ganesh Chaturthi or Ganesh Puja has special place of its own in our hearts, for which not only elders but youngers and kids eagerly wait through the year. Ganesh Puja falls on Bhadra Shukla Chaturthi every year. It's been a special day for kids as it is the only day when kids were not allowed to study. Days used to start early, collecting flowers from our own home and neighbors for garlands for the puja, decorating the puja pandals at home and at schools, wearing new clothes, and overall spending the early part of the day doing pujas, while the later part of the days used to be more fun and spending times with family and friends, and of course not studying. In Odisha, Ganesh Puja is not complete without its Chuda Ghasa along with Metha Bundi and Sev, unlike other parts of India as Prasad. In US, we the people of Nashville are blessed to be under the constant grace of Lord Sri Mahaganapati all year round. Nashville is not only the music city of USA, it is also very well known for its Sri Ganesha temple. Every year, we celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi at the temple with lots of fanfare, with starting from Mahabhishekam to chariot Pradhyakana, followed by Visarjan, with more than thousands of devotees taking part in it. However, unfortunately, due to COVID-19 this year was completely different. A tampered down event with no chariot, and of course the entire event was done keeping social distancing and mask policy in place. Lord Ganesha is said to be the god of prosperity and wealth, and is believed to bring good luck, and thus he is worshipped before anything new is started. It is believed that the whole body of Ganesha signifies some positive message. So on this auspicious occasion of Ganesh Puja, let's see what our little ones feel about their favorite god Ganesha, and what his body parts symbolize for them, and how our kids pray to the Lord.
Ganesha has a large stomach. It symbolizes that everybody should peacefully digest the good and the bad in life. Ganpati Bappa Moria! Vakratunda Makarya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryasu Sarvada Ganpati Bappa Moria Mangal Murti Moria. Om Namah Ganasaya Namah Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurame Deva Sarvakaryesu Sarvada Parvati Nandana Bala Ganesha Vigna Vinasa Bharade Ganesha Soyamani Bandita Sanaka Ganesha Sundara Badanam Gyaya Ganesha Parvati Nandana Bala Ganesha Tunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Om Kanankana Pate Nama Namaha Sri Sati Banaya Nama Namaha Sri Ashtabanaya Nama Namaha Kambya Papa Moya Om Kanankana Pate Nama Namaha Sri Sati Banaya Nama Namaha Sri Ashtabanaya Nama Namaha Kambya Papa Moya. Om Ganeshaya Namah Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Deva Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva. Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Deva Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva. Ekadantara Chara Bhuja Dhari Ekadantara Chara Bhuja Dhari Mate par tilak shohe Musaki Savare Mate par tilak shohe Musaki Savare Paan chade Pool chade Aur chade Meva Laduan ke bhog lage Sant kare seva Paan chade Pool chade Aur chade Meva Laduan ke bhog lage Sant kare seva Adan ko ankarit Korin ko kaya Banjan ko putrarit Nirdan ko maya Adan ko ankarit Korin ko kaya Pasur Shama Sharana Aya Sapala Khij Seva Mata Jaki Parvati Pita Mahadeva. Ganeshaya Namaha Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryasu Sarvada. Om Namo Ganesha Vignesha Girja Nandana Prabhu Mama Vigna Vinashaya Pranadhi Pate Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
तेरे बिना मैं आदि स्तुताय Namaskar. Namo Ganesha Vignecha Girija Nandana Prabhu. Mama Vignam Vinasaya Ganadipataya. Hope you all enjoyed watching our teeny talks. I, on my behalf, wants to thank the OSA executive team and the youth team for organizing the virtual Ganesha Chaturthi and giving us the opportunity to perform in it. Thank you.
जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गान
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
ॐ गणेशाय नमः। विनायकं हेमवर्षपाशाङ्कुशधरं विभुं दयोर्गजाननं देवं बालचन्द्रसमप्रभम्।
लम्बोधरा गणनाथ गजानन लम्बोदरा गणनाथ गजानन पार्वती नन्दन शुभानना पार्वती नन्दन शुभानना पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायका पशुपति तनया सिद्धि विनायका प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदना प्रणवाकारा शंभो नंदना पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन पतिपुरीशा पाहि गजानन पार्वती नंदन शुभानना पार्वती नंदन शुभानना।
गणपति बप्पा मोरया मोरया विश्वकरे जय गान
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
गणपति बप्पा मोरया मंगलमूर्ति मोरया.
Oh, hey! Welcome to our home. Today is Ganesh Chaturthi.
Why don't we show you what we did today?
Great idea. So first of all, Ganesh is known as the Vigna Nashak, which means that he destroys or removes all of the obstacles in our path.
So we ask him to destroy all the obstacles in our year and to bless our studies.
In order to do this, we perform a puja in which we offer Lord Ganesh flowers
And Akshita.
and Naivedya, among other things.
Hey, speaking of Naivedya, why don't we show them what we offered today?
Great idea.
We offered homemade Naivedya and some delicious dessert.
After the puja, it is very important to listen to the katha of why Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated.
This is because Mata Parvati cursed anyone who looks at the moon tonight. But luckily, Lord Krishna said that if anyone tells the story of Ganesha before they look at the moon tonight, they'll be saved.
So make sure you tell the story tonight. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you had a lovely Ganesh Puja.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi!
ओम सर्वं स्थूलतो गजेन्द्रवदनं लम्बोदरं सुन्दरं प्रस्यन्धं मधुगन्धलुप्तमत्रगारूढगन्धस्थलं दन्ताघाते विदारिताय दूरैसिन्द्रं सुहाकरं वन्दे सर्वसितासुतं गणपतं सिद्धिं पदं कामदम् ओम वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते।
जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गाना।
Namaskar. On this joyous occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, I hope Lord Ganapati blesses you and your family with lots of love, happiness, and prosperity. Stay safe, everyone.
Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru me Deva Sarvakarje Shusarvadha. Namaskar. My name is Inika Panigrahi, and on behalf of all of us youth here at the Canada Odisha Society of Americas, Shrishti and I would like to wish you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. In this video, we would like to share with you some of the festivities that we engage in when this time of year rolls around. We hope that you enjoy the line of performances that we have prepared for you. Happy Ganesh Puja!
सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
नमस्कार आपण समस्तଙ୍କୁ गणेश चतुर्थी रो हार्दिक शुभेच्छा विशिंग यू ऑल अ वेरी हैप्पी गणेश चतुर्थी
गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Namaskar. My name is Inika Panigrahi and I'd like to wish you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi.
Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, everyone.
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Namaskar. Wishing everyone a very happy and safe Ganesh Chaturthi.
Thank you all for tuning in and watching our video.
जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गाना
देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश.
ज्वाला सी जलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है परवाही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसे कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे है, उसकी नजरें उतारे, डर भी उससे डरा रहे, जिसकी रखवाली यारे करता साया तेरा। देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश। वरदान है, जो कमाए वो धनवान है, बिन किनारे की कश्ती है वो देवा तुझसे जो अनजान है। यूं तो मूषक सवारी तेरी, सब पे है पहरेदारी तेरी, पाप की आंधियां लाख हो कभी ज्योति न हारी तेरी। अपनी तकदीर का वो खुद सिकंदर हुआ रे, भूल के ये जहां रे, जिसकी सीने यहाँ रे साथ पाया तेरा। हे देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकरी जय
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. And the meaning of that is, O God with a carved trunk, the large body, whose aura is like a light of many suns, Please make my entire life obstacle free forever.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashchit dukha bhave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Ganapati, 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 Palaya Mam. Ganapati, Gunapati, Gajapati, Mambapati, Varapati, Surapati, Palaya Mam. Angry. So he said, find my head. They couldn't find anything. They found an elephant. So they shot the elephant and put the elephant on top of the boy. And that's how Ganesha was made. Namaskar.
Hold our hands. Hold our hands. Say namaskar.
What do you think Ganesh Puja means to you? So you can tell us maybe a past experience of a Ganesh Puja you maybe had before.
I'd say it feels like it's just like a sensation where it feels like it's like you're gonna do good. You're just gonna do good this year, like in education wise. So
just feels like a celebration, kind of, you know, a birthday celebration.
Yeah, that's what we're here to celebrate, Ganesha's birthday. Thank you, Sneha.
Collected dirt and I helped her make some clay, and then she tried to make something. I mean,
An elephant makes paths in the forest. So it actually symbolizes that Lord Ganesha in your path of life helps remove all the obstacles. That's why he's known as the remover of obstacles. His head is also very large compared to the rest of his body, which means he thinks a lot, as you can see in this photo. He thinks big and has all the knowledge of the universe, you could say. Alright, so the correct answer is he has only one tusk. We have one full one and then we have a broken one, from which many stories tell different situations. So ik means one, danta means teeth, so ekdanta. Let's use on the top. Adi is still leading with Raima, Adya, Lucy, and Soba trailing behind. Let's see our final standings. Third place, we have Lucy and B. Second place, we have Raima. First place, we have Adi and Guddu. Good job. Okay. That is the end of our quiz. Thank you so much for participating.
Celebrated like I have celebrated growing up. I've seen it from all communities. I've seen it from all aspects. So it has been great.
Free to do whatever we want to do. All our books are with Ganesha, so we don't have to study on that day. So whatever we want to do, we can do on that day. So it used to be a lot of fun those days. So yeah, it's an amazing experience.
Good memory, being part of the school, decorating the Ganesh Puja, and then being part of the immersion process and all that.
The bad part of it is my mom never allowed us, at least in my family, that nobody should touch to any food until all puja are done, and that puja will be done by 11 or 12.
Little kids, we made our Ganesh for the community. So until 10, 12, 13 years, I did that thing. After that, I don't think our community did a Ganesh Puja. All of you know, in Orissa, communities don't celebrate Ganesh Puja. It's either in the school or you do at home.
But one thing Britishers did, they didn't interfere with the religious celebrations. They did not. They let the Hindus and Muslims, they celebrate their own own religious. Then
জয় গণেশ জয় গণেশ জয় গণেশ দেব জয় গণেশ জয় গণেশ জয় গণেশ দেব মাতা তুম পার্বতী পিতা মহাদেব মাতা তুম পার্বতী পিতা মহাদেব जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया
नमस्कार गणेश चतुर्थी उपलक्षे आपण मानक आमर शुभकामना।
वक्रतुंड महाकाय
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव शुभकार्येषु सर्वदा शुक्लंबरधरं देवं
शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं
प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये मूषिकवाहनः मोदकहस्ता चामरकर्णविलम्बितसूत्र वामनरूपमहेश्वरपुत्र विघ्नविनायक पाद नमस्ते।
एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ती प्रचोदयात्। गजाननं भूतगणाधिसेवितं कपितजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वरपादपङ्कजम्।
सर्वविघ्नहरं देवं सर्वविघ्नविवर्जितं सर्वसिद्धिप्रदातारं वन्देऽहं गणनायकम्। ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमा भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। धन्यवाद नमस्कार।
जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकरी जय गान।
देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
ज्वाला सी जलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है। परवाह ही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है। धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे डर भी उससे डरा रहे इसकी रखवाली यारे करता साया तेरा हे देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकरी जय गान। गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गान।
ओम गणेशाय नमः। गणेश पंचरत्नम मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतंसकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशितेव दैत्यकं नताशुभाशुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न ते तरातिभीकरं न वोदितार्कभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिर्जरं न ताधिकापदुद्धरम् सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदैत्यकुञ्जरं दरेतरोदरं वरं वरे भवक्त्रमक्षरम् कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं मनस्करं नमस्कृतं नमस्करोमि भास्वरम् अकिञ्चनार्तिमार्जनं चिरन्तनोक्तिभाजनं पुरारिपूर्वनन्दनं सुरारिगर्वचर्वणं प्रपञ्चनाशभीषणं धनञ्जयादिभूषणं कपोलदानवारणं भजे पुराणवारणम् नितान्तकान्तदन्तकान्तिमन्तकान्तकात्मजम् अचिन्त्यरूपमन्तहीनमन्तराय क्रन्तनम् हृदन्तरे निरन्तरं वसन्तमेव योगिनं तमेकदन्तमेव तं विचिन्तयामि सन्ततम् महागणेश पञ्चरत्नमादरेण योऽन्वहं प्रजल्पति प्रभातके हृदि स्मरन् गणेश्वरम् अरोगतामदोषसां सुसाहितीं सुपुत्रतां समाहितायुरष्टभूतिमभ्युपैति सोचिरात्। ओम गणेशाय नमः।
जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गान।
नमस्कार, मु कृष्णा। आज मु आपनको पाए गोटे गणेश स्तोत्र कोइबी। ओम खर्बां स्थूलतनुं गजेन्द्र बदनं लंबोदरं सुंदरं प्रसन्नमदलुब्धमधुपं व्यालोलगन्धस्थलं दन्तघातभिदारिदारि रुदरे सिन्दरे शोभाकरं वन्दे शैलसुतसुतं गणपतिं सिद्धिप्रदं कामोदम्। The meaning of this stotra is, O Ganesha, with a short fat body, having the face of an elephant and a beautiful long trunk. He has a happy face that emits the fragrance of honey to such an extent that it attracts honeybees. His tusks are covered in the blood of his enemies, which beautifies his complexion. I offer my prayers, O son of Ma Parvati, to kindly bless my progress in the path to devotion. Namaskar, Dhanyabad.
जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गान।
सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची दुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटी शेंदुराची कंठी झळके माळ मुक्ता फळांची जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव रत्न खचित फरा दुज गौरी कुमरा चंदनाची उटी कुमकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभा तो बरा ऋण सुरती नूपुरे चरणी घागरिया जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव लंबोदर पीतांबर फणिवर बंधना सरळ सुंड वक्रतुंड त्रिनयना दासरामाचा वाटपा हे सदना संकटी पावावे निर्वाणी रक्षावे सुरवर वंदना जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ती दर्शन मात्रे मान कामना पूर्ती जय देव जय देव सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अच्छा गज मुख को दोल दिल लाल बिराजे सुत गौरी हर को हाथ लिए गुड़ लड्डू साई सुरवर को महिमा कहे न जाए लागत हूँ पद को जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव अष्टौ सिद्धि दासी संकट को बैरी विघ्न विनाशन मंगल मूरत अधिकारी होगी सूरज प्रकाश ऐसी छवि तेरी खंडस्थल मदमस्तक चुले शशि बिहारी जय देव जय देव जय जय जी गणराज विद्या सुखदाता धन्य तुम्हारो दर्शन मेरा मन रमता जय देव जय देव
जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गाना जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव सिंदूर लाल चढ़ायो अपने ही मन का सुंदर लाल विराज सुत गौरी शिव का हाथ में है गुड़ लड्डू प्रभु गजानन की महिमा कहूँ तो कैसे झुकाऊं सिर पद में जय जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव खचित फरा तुझ गौरी कमरा चंदनाची ओटी कुंकुम केशरा हिरे जडित मुकुट शोभतो बरा ऋणझुणती नूपुरे चरणी घागरिया जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गाना जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गाना
नमस्कार मो ना अनुष्का जेना गणेश पूजार अनेक अनेक अभिनंदन गाइए गणपति जगवंदना गाइए गणपति जगवंदना शङ्कर सुवन भवानी नन्दन शङ्कर सुवन भवानी नन्दन गाइए गणपति जगवन्दन गाइए गणपति जगवन्दन सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक सिद्धि सदन गजवदन विनायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब दायक कृपा सिंधु सुंदर सब दायक गाइए गणपति जगवंदन गाइए गणपति गाइए गणपति गाइए गणपति जगवंदना।
जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गान।
ज्वाला सी जलती है आंखों में जिसके भी दिल में तेरा नाम है परवाह ही क्या उसका आरंभ कैसा है और कैसा परिणाम है धरती अंबर सितारे उसकी नजरें उतारे डर भी उससे डरा रहे जिसकी रखवाली यारे करता साया तेरा देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश। तेरी भक्ति तो वरदान है जो कमाए वो धनवान है बिन किनारे की कश्ती है वो देवा तुझसे जो अनजान है यूं तो मूषक सवारी तेरी सब पे है पहरेदारी तेरी पाप की आंधियां लाख हो कभी ज्योति न हारी तेरी अपनी तकदीर का वो खुद सिकंदर हुआ रे भूल के ये जहां रे जिसकी सीने यहाँ रे साथ पाया तेरा हे देवा श्री गणेश 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 देवा श्री गणेश।
तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा अगले बरस आना है आना ही होगा देखेंगी तेरी राहें प्यासी प्यासी निगाहें तो मान ले तू मान भी ले कहना मेरा लौट के तुझको आना है सुन ले कहता दीवाना है जब तेरा दर्शन पाएंगे चैन तब हमको पाना है मोरिया 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 रे पप्पा मोरिया 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 रे मोरिया 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 रे पप्पा मोरिया 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 रे। खुशियों के दिन हो के गम का जमाना दिल बस लेता है नाम तेरा तेरे ही कारण है जीवन सुहाना तू ही तो मन में तन मन में बसा हर घड़ी ध्यान रहे तेरा मैं हूँ तेरा चाहने वाला जपता हूँ तेरी माला तो मान ले तू मान भी ले कहना मेरा लौट के तुझको आना है सुन ले कहता दीवाना है जब तेरा दर्शन पाएंगे चैन तब हमको पाना है ओ मोरिया 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 रे पप्पा मोरिया 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 रे मोरिया 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 रे पप्पा मोरिया 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 रे। तुझको फिर से जलवा दिखाना ही होगा अगले बरस आना है आना ही होगा।
जय जय गणपति बप्पा मोरिया मोरिया विश्वकारी जय गान।
श्री गणेश पंचरत्न मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा मुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकं मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा मुक्तिसाधकं कलाधरावतं सकं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकनायकं विनाश्रितैवतैत्यकं तथा सुवासुनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न ते तदातिविकरं न होदितार्कवास्वरं न मत्सुरारिधीजरं न तातिकापदूरं सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं समस्वरे परत्परं निरन्तरम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं हीरा की जैसी बुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं दिन सबले की जैसी खिलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम् Hello, I'm Adyasha. Today I'm going to tell why Ganesha is known as Ekadanta. One day, Lord Shiva and Parvati are resting in a cave in Kailash. Ganesha was guarding outside the cave. At that time, sage Parsuram came to seek the blessing of Lord Shiva. He met Ganesha. Ganesha did not allow Parsuram to let him inside as it will disturb his parents. It made Parsuram very angry. In fit of rage, he lost his control. He attacked Ganesha. The sacred axe which was gifted by Lord Shiva. The powerful axe known as Pashu hit Ganesha on his right tusk and cut it. Hearing the fight, Ganesh's mother and father came outside. They found unconscious Ganesha. Parsuram realized his mistake. He begged for forgiveness. Lord Shiva forgave him. He blessed Ganesha with the power of wisdom. At that time, since then, Ganesha is known as Ekadanta. Thank you. Namaskar. Thank you.
Namaskar, my name is Arna Malik. Today I'm going to sing a bhajan called Vande Ganapati. Vande Ganapati Vighna Vinashana He Lambodara Gajanana 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 Vande Ganapati रिद्धि सिद्धि के दाता तुम हो रिद्धि सिद्धि के दाता तुम हो रिद्धि सिद्धि के दाता तुम हो हे शशि शेखर नंदना वंदे गणपति विघ्न विनाशन हे लंबोदर गजानना शुक्रं वरदं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णुं मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्षं मङ्गलाय तनोहरि
चांदन को आग दे तो सूर्यन को काया, बांधन को पुष्प दे तो निर्धन को माया, सूर्य श्याम शरण्य आए सकल कीट सेवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा, जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा, जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा, जय जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा, माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा. Hello everyone, Namaskar, my name is Siona. I'm going to sing Bhagwatunda Mahakaya. Bhagwatunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samabala Nirvigna Kavabadeva Sarvakarishu Subhuda Sarvakarishu Subhuda Sarvakarishu Subhuda. Thank you everyone. Namaskar. मुदाकरातमोदकं सदा विमुक्तिसाधकं करागरागतं सतं विलासिलोकरक्षकम् अनायकैकनायकं विनाशिदेवदेत्यकं नतासिहासिनाशकं नमामि तं विनायकम् न ते तरातिभीकरं न बोधितर्कभास्वरं न मत्सुरारिनिश्चरं न ताधिकापदुद्धरम् सुरेश्वरं निधीश्वरं गजेश्वरं गणेश्वरं महेश्वरं तमाश्रये परात्परं निरन्तरम् समस्तलोकशङ्करं निरस्तदेत्यकुञ्जरं तरेतरोदरं वरं वरेव वक्रमक्षरम् कृपाकरं क्षमाकरं मुदाकरं यशस्करं Hello everyone. Namaskar. My name is Siona. I'm going to sing Bhagwatunda Mahakaya. Bhagwatunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samabhava Nirvigna Kavabadeva Sarvakalashu Sabuddha Sabakalashu Sabuddha Sabakalashu Sabuddha. Thank you everyone. Namaskar.
Hi, my name is Rayansh and I'm going to be telling you how Ganesha cursed the moon. On one year, it was Ganesha Chaturthi and people prepared laddus for Ganesha. And Ganesha went house to house to eat his favorite laddus. Then in one house, after eating a lot of laddus, he told the mouse, "Wow, that was a feast. My tummy is full now. Let's go back." And on the way back, a cobra came in front of the mouse. The mouse trembled so violently that Ganesha fell off the mouse's back. And the moon started to laugh at Ganesha. Ho 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 ho, ha 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 ha. And Ganesha got very angry. He cursed the moon that no one shall ever see his moonlight ever again. And then the gods in heaven, they were very worried. And they saw that Ganesha was very angry looking in front of the sky. They came down to try to calm Ganesha down and request Ganesha that to forgive the moon. The world needs it. And then he said, "Okay, fine, but he'll remember this forever, that he won't be a full moon forever. He'll start to grow his brightness until he's a full moon for just one night, then slowly fades his moonlight until there is no moonlight." And then that day onwards, Ganesha, the moon, remembered that he should always grow his light until he's a full moon for one night, and then he'll slowly fade away until there is no moonlight left, just like tonight. Thank you.
Surya-koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Guru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada.
Muddakarathamodakam sada vimukti sadakam kaladarabadam sakam vilasilokaranjakam Anayakaikanayakam vinashideva daityakam natashubhasanasakam namamitam vinayakam Nudetarati-bhikaram navodhi-tarkabaswaram namatsurari-nirjaram natadika-badurtaram Sureswaram, Nidiswaram, Gajeswaram, Ganeshwaram, Maheswaram, Tamasare, Paratparam, Nirantaram
Sa ma 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 pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ma
Hello everyone, Namaskar. My name is Simona. I'm going to tell the story of how Ganesha was born. So one day, Lord Parvati was trying to find Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva was meditating. So Lord Parvati made a doll out of clay and gave life to it. She asked him and gave him a name that is Ganesha. She asked Ganesha to guard the house and not let anyone enter. A few moments later, Lord Shiva arrived and asked if he was surprised to see Ganesha, and he asked Ganesha so he can enter, but he stopped him each time. So he got angry because he was not allowed to go in his house. He threw his shoe on Ganesha and his head got cut off. Then, with this sound, Parvati knew something was not okay. She went out and saw Ganesha dead. So, she said, I'll kill the whole universe. Brahma said, don't do that. Oh, she said, only in two conditions. The first condition is if I get my Ganesha back. And the second one, Ganesha would be worshipped before any other god. Shiva agreed and asked his Ganas to find a head that was facing the north. They found an elephant head. They put on Ganesha's body and gave back his life. At that time, he was called Ganapati Gajanana. And did you know Ganesha had 108 names, 8 avatars, and 2 wives named Riddhi and Siddhi, and 2 sons named Sovo and Lavo. The moral of the story is, don't get angry, else you might kill you near and dear. Thank you, everyone. Namaste.
Posa